I'm 22 years old right now, and I've made over $10,000 a month online. And before you roll your eyes and think this is just another clickbait video from some guy who's just gonna waste your time, hear me out. Because I'm not here to sell you a dream or to flash a limbo in front of you. There is no fancy, crazy editing in this video. I'm just here to show you exactly what I did, how I built this, and why you can genuinely copy it if you actually want to. On my best days, I've literally made $2,600 in profit. I want you to think about something for a second. Think about your job. Or think about whatever it is you're doing right now to make money. Every single day, what do? You wake up, you trade your time for money. You show up, you do the work, you get paid. And then tomorrow, you do it all over again. It's like filling up a bucket with a hole in the bottom. The second you stop pouring, the bucket empties. That is the traditional way of making money, and honestly, it is exhausting. It's not freedom. It's just a fancier version of being stuck. What I do is the complete opposite of that. I build systems that make money while I'm asleep, while I'm at the gym, while I'm traveling, while I'm at the pool, while I'm having dinner with the people I love. And I'm gonna break down exactly how you can do this too, step by step. So let me just rip the band-aid off and tell you exactly what I do. I sell digital products online, specifically high-ticket digital products. We're talking courses, mentorships, coaching programs, and I sell them through YouTube. That's it. That's pretty much the whole business. I'm not doing some dropshipping. I'm not doing Amazon FBA, crypto, day trading, or all this crap. I'm not freelancing where I'm grinding through client calls every week and chasing unpaid invoices. I do none of that stuff. What I do is ridiculously simple. So simple, in fact, most people don't even believe it works. It's just me creating content that brings in the right people, and then some of those people buy my digital products. And when I say digital products, I mean products I created once, one time, and now they sell over and over again without me having to do anything extra. Imagine writing a book once and getting paid every time someone buys it forever. That's pretty much the energy. Except instead of a book, it's a course or a coaching program, and instead of a bookstore, it's YouTube. And here's the thing, I'm not some genius. I didn't have a head start. I didn't have rich parents who funded me. My parents were nurses. I started this from scratch, figuring it out as I went, making mistakes, and eventually cracking the code. So when I tell you that you can copy this, I genuinely mean it. I need you to understand why this business model is so insane compared to literally anything else you could start right now. Let me give you a comparison. Say you want to open a coffee shop. You need a location, equipment, staff, inventory, permits. You're probably looking at spending $50,000 to $100,000 before you even make your first dollar. And your profit margin, maybe 10 to 20% if you're lucky. Usually it doesn't go much beyond that, especially for local physical businesses. Now let me tell you what it costs to start a digital product business. Almost nothing. Seriously. You need a laptop, an internet connection, and knowledge. Knowledge you already have about something. That's it. And your profit margins? We're talking 90% plus, because there's no inventory to buy. There's no product to ship. There's no employee to pay for every single sale. You make the product once and then it's done. Someone pays you, they get instant access to your product, and you didn't have to lift a single finger for that transaction. That's why this is the best business in 2026. The barrier to entry is almost zero. The profit margins are insane. And the scalability is unlimited because there is no physical limit to how many people can buy a digital product. One person buying it or 10,000 people buying it, it costs you the same to deliver. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Okay, so now you understand what I sell. But how do people actually find me and my products and buy from me? That is where YouTube comes in, and honestly, this is the part most people completely underestimate. YouTube is the most powerful free traffic machine on the internet, and I want you to really let that sink in. Free traffic machine. Every other businesses pay thousands of dollars a month on ads, even way more than that, to get people to see their products. Me, I just make a video. YouTube puts that video in front of the right people for me. Those people watch it, they trust me, and then they buy from me. And it's much easier to convert people who watch content than people who don't. And my videos keep working for me for years. I have videos I made like a year ago, 2 years ago, that still get views and even customers, even to this day. Think about it like planting trees. Every video you post is a tree. And every tree eventually grows fruit. That fruit is customers, sales, income. And the beautiful thing is, once the tree is planted, you don't have to plant it again. It just keeps producing fruit. Now imagine if you planted a new tree every single week. After a year, you've got 50 trees. After 2 years, 100 trees. All of them producing fruit at the same time. Imagine if you planted a tree a day. That's what a YouTube channel does for your business. And here's what's even better. And this is the part that I get the most excited about. You don't even have to be on camera. You can build an entire YouTube channel without ever showing your face. Faceless YouTube channels are crushing it right now. AI tools have made it easier than ever to create high quality content without being on screen. So if you're shy, if you don't want to be a public figure, if you just want the income without the personal brand, that path is wide open for you. And nowadays, it's easier than ever to create the content thanks to AI. I use AI every day. I have multiple channels, not just this one, and the other ones are faceless. There isn't my face or my voice on it. Let me show you the math that's going to completely change the way you think about making money online. Let's say you want to make $10,000 a month. Option 1, you sell a cheap digital product. For example, a $10 ebook. To make $10,000, you need to sell 1,000 ebooks every single month. 1,000. That means you need a lot of traffic. You need lots of marketing. That being said, more people might buy it because it's cheaper. But all of that just to hit 10 grand. Option 2, you sell a high-ticket program or digital product. Let's say a $1,000 course or coaching program. To make $10,000, you need 10 sales. 10 per month. Not 1,000, 10. Do you see how much more achievable this is now? That's the power of going high ticket. You do less selling and you make more money. And the people who buy high ticket programs, they're serious, they're committed. They actually implement what you teach and they get results. Which means they're happy customers. Which means they refer other people. Which means your business grows on its own. That's why I went high ticket from the very beginning. I'm not trying to hustle 1,000 people into buying a $10 thing. I want to find 10 people every month who are serious about changing their situation, and I want to genuinely help them do that. And I charge accordingly for that transformation. That's it. I need to tell you about this because I see it constantly, and it breaks my heart every time. People get excited about this stuff, and rightfully so. And then, 3 weeks in, they quit. And when I talk to them and ask why, it almost always comes down to the same thing. They were waiting to feel ready. They spent weeks building the perfect website, designing the perfect logo, overthinking what their niche should be, watching video after video, pretending to be productive, basically doing everything except the one thing that actually matters, which is starting, creating content, putting something out into the world. When I was learning to ride a bike as a kid, my dad didn't sit me down for 3 months and explain the physics of balance and the aerodynamics of cycling and the history of the bicycle. He just put me on the bike and pushed me. And yeah, I fell multiple times. Like every kid in the world, I scraped my knee and it hurt. But you know what? I learned how to ride a bike in one afternoon. Because action creates learning, not endless preparation. And theory is always going to be slightly different from real-world application. Lawyers especially know that. The people who succeed selling digital products online are not the smartest people. They're not the most talented. They're not the ones with the most followers or the best camera equipment. They're just the ones who started. They posted the imperfect video. They kept posting again and again. They launched the imperfect product. They had the imperfect sales conversation, the awkward sales conversation, and they kept going. That's literally it. The other huge mistake people make is trying to do too many things at once. They're trying dropshipping and affiliate marketing and freelancing and crypto all at the same time. And they end up being mediocre at all of it instead of being great at one thing and printing cash. Pick one model. Go deep, master it, stack your wins, and then if you want, you can expand. But do not scatter your energy across 10 different things and expect to get rich. It's not gonna happen. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Okay, so let's get practical. Let's say you're starting from absolute zero right now. No audience, no product, maybe no idea what your niche even is. Here's exactly what I would do if I had to start over today. Step 1. Figure out what you know that other people would pay to learn. And before you say, oh, I don't know anything worth teaching, stop. That thought in 99% of cases is a lie. You have lived experiences that other people haven't had. You have skills that took you years to develop that someone else wants to learn. You've solved the problems that other people are still struggling with. That's your product, your knowledge, your story, your system. That's what you're selling. And let's say, worst case scenario, genuinely there is nothing you could teach. You've got no knowledge, no skills. Well, then you pick a niche and you ask AI for product suggestions around a painful problem people have. And you make that product. You can look at what the competition is selling, remake it. That's it. There's no excuse. Step 2, pick your content format. Are you going to be on camera? Great. Build a personal brand. Are you camera shy or you really don't want to be on screen? Build a faceless YouTube channel. Both work. Both are making people serious money in 2026. The only wrong answer is doing nothing. Step 3, start creating content before your product even exists. Seriously. Post videos. Build an audience. Get feedback from real people about what they actually want to learn. And then, and only then, build a product that you know people already want to buy. Most people do this backwards. They build a product and then try to find a customer. Flip it. Build the audience first. Understand what they need. Then build the solution. This is why so many digital product launches flop, because the creator never validated demand. Don't make that mistake. Step 4, price it properly. Don't undercharge because you're new or because you're scared nobody's gonna buy your stuff. People associate price with value. If I tried to sell you an iPhone for $10, you'd probably think it's very shit, it doesn't work, it's broken, or it's a scam, right? Or let's say I told you I bought a car for $300,000. You would probably assume it's a great luxury sports car, right? But you only know the price of the car. Maybe I got massively scammed and bought some old-ass Toyota. But you only have one piece of the information. If you charge $20 for something, people assume it's a $20 transformation. If you charge $1,000, people take it more seriously. They show up, they do the work, they get results. High prices create high commitment, and high commitment creates high results. Step 5, let YouTube do the selling for you. Create content that genuinely helps people, answer their real questions, solve their real problems, and naturally, organically, point them towards your paid offer when it makes sense. YouTube is a trust machine. The more value you give on the channel, the more people trust you. The more people trust you, the more they buy from you. It's that simple. And here's the thing about 2026 specifically. This opportunity is bigger right now than it's ever been. AI tools have completely leveled the playing field. You don't need a massive production team. You don't need a massive budget. You don't need years of experience creating content. AI can help you script, edit, voiceover, and distribute content faster and better than most people could do it manually 2 years ago. The barrier is gone. The only thing standing between you and this income is the decision to start and commit to it. Look, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you this is easy. It takes work, especially in the beginning. It takes consistency. There will be weeks where you feel like nothing is working. There will be videos that took you a long time to make and they flop, they get no views. There will be launches that underperform. That's part of it. That's the price of admission for building a successful business that makes you financially free, while everyone else you know is stuck in a job they hate, spinning their wheels in the rat race, only to make a miserable 2 to 3 grand a month before taxes. If you love your job, you love your life, great, who am I to judge you? That's not the point. You're here because you don't want this reality. You want more freedom. You're hungrier than the average person. If you pick this model, digital products, YouTube traffic, high ticket pricing, and you commit to it for 12 months without quitting, your life will look completely different on the other side. It is just pure mathematics. One day you'll wake up and check your phone, and there will be a sale notification while you were asleep, and you'll realize this is actually working. I actually got my first fully automated sale for $997 for a course when I was only 21 years old. I made that sale at 4 a.m. while I was asleep, and that day I knew I would never give up on selling digital products. I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my business. One of my best days was over $2,600. I was 22 years old. And look, I'm not trying to brag, I'm not special. I just found the right business model and I didn't quit. That's available to you too. But you have to actually decide to do something about it. Most people want results, they never fucking do anything about it. So here's what I want you to do right now. Go to the description of this video and click the link to my free training. I'm going to show you how I've made thousands of dollars per day in profit selling digital products. And that works even if you have limited time, limited money, and no previous experience. This is literally the best way to make money online. It's the way that all the big gurus are making money and they're not telling you about it. It's for a reason. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me directly if you get lucky, or with a member of my team. On that call, we're gonna give you a step-by-step roadmap so you can start that business quickly with limited capital and time and get your first sales as quickly as possible. So check that out now, but be quick if you want to apply for the free call because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. With that being said, I will see you on the other side.